Leading Legends, number 3 of 3, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, SAMSON. Hello fans and welcome to Monster Truck Classics here on YouTube, and I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the new look of SAMSON here in 2026, and it includes a crush car. So let's check out the back of the card. On the back of the card now, here is SAMSON, the name of the truck. The truck type is a pickup, the strength, brawn, and brado. Crash attack, strong arm slam, and the connecting crash car. And the other trucks in this series is Poo Poo Platter, and then Roaring Machine, Airplane Mode, Wave Wrecker, Great Bite, Gangster, Hot Wheels 5 Alarm. Let me go ahead and unbox SAMSON. Here's the connect and crash car. I wish that we would get something different than the connect and crash cars. It seems like we've been getting these forever. SAMSON out of the package. He has white wheels, black tires, I would go with a silver chassis, and the roll cage is black. Now onto the body itself, we have SAMSON, the name of the truck back here, and the wheel well is kind of cutting off the name. And then there's a little design back here on the bumper, and you see a little design there. And then the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo on the arm of SAMSON. And then right here it says, I had to look on the magnifier. Under the magnifier it said Red US Patent, PAT, and some little marks, so trademarks or some kind. It was very hard to see. So I'm thinking that it's some kind of patent to be able to use this body in the Hot Wheels line. Now let's go ahead. We get some coloring, and on the arms of SAMSON look very cool. Here are some chains that are breaking off on the door, and the chains breaking on SAMSON's arm as well. Coming towards now the front of the truck, there we have his fists in the front, the name of the truck, and some more chains on the front clip on the hood of SAMSON. Coming around now to the opposite side, and this side, which I call the driver's side. And we come back to now the tailgate, and you can see says Patrick Enterprises Incorporated Racing. I could see that on the back of the card, so could figure that out, because the racing is very hard to figure out. And you get some more detailing here down below, which goes around to the sides of the truck, which I mentioned before, right there. So, and then those red lines coming down, I'm thinking are supposed to be for maybe for the lights, but not sure. But so there's the tailgate, and then on top there are some chains up top that kind of come down that are broken, or just that clip is making it look like it's broken. So not sure how that's supposed to be, but that's the design of SAMSON Monster Truck here in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line for 2026. So thank you fans for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.